Most people build wealth in the wrong order. They pay off debt before investing, or invest before an emergency fund. That costs thousands in missed returns and unnecessary risk. But a proven sequence removes the guesswork. The financial order of operations tells you what to do with your next dollar. It is not about how much you earn, it is about the order. The first step is to cover your highest insurance deductible. That means saving enough cash to pay the deductible on your health, auto, or home insurance. Without this buffer, one accident or illness can derail your entire financial plan. Keep this cash in a high-yield savings account, not in the stock market. Once that is done, move to step 2. Capture your employer match. If you have a 401k with a match, contribute enough to get the full match. That is an instant 50 to 100% return on your money. It beats paying off even high-interest debt because the match is free money. The mechanism here is simple. The match is a guaranteed return with zero risk. No investment can promise that. The second-order effect is that by securing this buffer first, you protect yourself from becoming a foreseller in a downturn. Many people skip step 1, thinking they can use credit cards in an emergency. But that is dangerous because credit card debt is high interest. The order matters because each step builds on the previous. Without the deductible buffer, you might have to raid your emergency fund or sell investments at a loss. So start with protection. It is the foundation of the entire sequence. This step is often overlooked because it feels like a waste of cash, but it is insurance for your insurance. Without it, you are one emergency away from financial ruin. Step 3 is to eliminate high-interest debt. That means credit cards, payday loans, any debt with an interest rate above 6 to 8%. Pay it down to zero. Credit card debt is chainsaw dangerous. Do not try to arbitrage it by investing while carrying a balance. The interest you pay will almost certainly exceed any investment returns. Step 4 is to build a full emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of living expenses in cash. The cash from step 1 counts toward this total. This fund protects you from job loss or major expenses without having to sell investments at a loss. Why this order? Because high-interest debt is itself an emergency. Paying it down gives you a guaranteed return equal to the interest rate. That is a better use of your money than building an emergency fund that earns 2%. Once the debt is gone, your cash flow improves, allowing you to save faster. The second-order effect is that you break the cycle of debt dependency. Many people invest before they have an emergency fund, then are forced to sell in a downturn. That locks in losses. The FOO prevents that. Common mistake: paying off low-interest debt before high-interest debt. That is wrong. Prioritize by interest rate. Kill the chainsaw debt first. Step 5 is to max out your retirement accounts. After you have captured the employer match, you should contribute to a Roth IRA, traditional IRA, or your 401k up to the annual limit. This is where compounding really kicks in. The mechanism is time and tax advantage. Money in a Roth IRA grows tax-free. Money in a traditional IRA grows tax-deferred. Over decades, the difference between taxable and tax-advantaged accounts can be hundreds of thousands of dollars. The second-order effect is that you build a nest egg for retirement that is not dependent on market timing. You also gain flexibility. Roth IRA contributions can be withdrawn at any time without penalty, so it can serve as a backup emergency fund. But the main goal is to let compounding work. Many people stop at the employer match. That is a mistake. The match is just the beginning. The FOO says to go further because the tax benefits are too valuable to leave on the table. However, question the assumption: is it always best to max retirement before taxable investing? Yes, because of the tax advantages. But if you have a short-term goal like a house down payment in 3 years, you might need to save in a taxable account. The FOO addresses that in Step 7. For now, focus on retirement. Max it out. Step 6 is hyperaccumulation. Once your retirement accounts are maxed, invest in a taxable brokerage account. This is for wealth beyond retirement. It can fund early retirement, real estate, or a business. Step 7 is to prepay future expenses. Save for known large costs like a house down payment, a car, or a wedding. Use a separate savings account or a conservative investment. The mechanism here is that after you have secured your tax advantage space, you can take on more risk or save for specific goals. The second order effect is that you gain financial independence sooner. You're no longer limited to retirement age. But there's a tension. The FOO says to do hyperaccumulation before prepaying future expenses. That assumes your retirement is more important than a house. Is that always true? If you're young and want to buy a home, you might need to save for a down payment before maxing retirement. The FOO is a general framework. For most people, retirement should come first because of compounding. But if you have a specific timeline, you may need to adjust. The key is to be intentional. Do not skip steps, but recognize that life happens. The FOO gives you a starting point. Once you have done steps 1 through 5, you have a solid foundation. Then you can decide how to allocate the surplus. Step 8 is to pay off low-interest debt. This includes mortgages and student loans under 4 to 5%. Only do this after you have completed all previous steps. The math favors investing over paying these off early because historical investment returns exceed 4 to 5%. Step 9 is generosity. The source calls it Step 0. You can be generous at any level, but once you have secured your own future, you can give more freely. The mechanism. Giving can be part of financial plan. Donor-advised funds allow you to donate appreciated stock and avoid capital gains tax. But the FOO places it last to ensure you are not giving before you are stable. The second-order effect is that generosity can reduce your taxable income and align your money with your values. However, question the assumption. Should you really delay giving until after paying off a low-interest mortgage? If giving is important to you, you might do it earlier. The FOO acknowledges that by calling it Step 0, it is a mindset from the start, but the sequence is designed to build a strong foundation first. Once you have that, you can give without worry. Common mistake. People give before they have an emergency fund. That is risky. Follow the order, but allow for small acts of generosity along the way. The financial order of operations is a proven framework, but it needs adaptation. For Moroccan readers, not everyone has an employer match. In that case, Step 2 becomes build a side business or invest in yourself to increase income. The principle remains, prioritize high return moves first. Common mistakes that kill wealth. Paying off low-interest debt before investing, investing without an emergency fund, ignoring insurance deductibles, and trying to do everything at once. The FOO is a sequence, not a checklist. Do Step 1 before Step 2. Cash is a buffer, not a drag. It protects your investments. The employer match is the highest return you will ever get. Take it. High-interest debt is an emergency. Kill it fast. Generosity is Step 0, but do not sacrifice your foundation. What to watch next? Monitor your progress. As your income grows, revisit the steps. You may need to rebalance. The FOO removes the guesswork. You do not need to be a genius. You just need to follow the order. Start today. Check your highest deductible. If you cannot cover it in cash, that is your first target. Then move to Step 2. Share which step you are on in the comments. Let's build wealth together. The financial order of operations gives you a clear path. Start with Step 1 today. In the next video, we will break down how to build a side business if you do not have an employer match. That is the adaptation for many. Watch that next.